There are 3 doors that lead people to hellfire. 1. A suspicion which causes one to doubt the religion of Allah. 2. A desire which causes one to prefer the pleasures of this world more than obeying and pleasing Allah. 3. Anger, which causes aggression against Allah's creatures. There are 3 causes of sin. 1. Pride. This caused Shaitan to fall. 2. Avarice, which is extreme desire for gain. This drove Adam a.s. out of paradise. 3. Envy. This encouraged the son of Adam to kill his brother. Whoever has been preserved from the evil of these 3 things would be protected against evil itself, because disbelief stems from pride, sin stems from avarice, and injustice grows out of envy.